In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive sync issues, and it only takes about 5 minutes. If you've ever run into problems with OneDrive not syncing properly, you're definitely not alone. This is a common issue, but the good news is that it's often a quick fix. So let's walk through the steps together. First, let's begin by directing your attention to your taskbar. Look closely and find that familiar OneDrive cloud icon. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu with various OneDrive options. Next, look for the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on it to access more in-depth options for managing OneDrive. Now, we want to pause syncing temporarily, so find and select the option that says Pause Syncing. Once you've done that, you'll want to click on Quit OneDrive. This tells OneDrive to shut down effectively, giving us the opportunity to start fresh and often resolve synchronization issues. The next step is to navigate over to your File Explorer. This is an integral component because it lets you directly access your files and ensure that your system is primed for the next steps. Within File Explorer, locate OneDrive in the directories available to you. Once located, you're going to click on Start OneDrive. What this does is essentially reboot the application, which can clear up any temporary hiccups it was experiencing before. Sometimes, it may even be helpful to take an additional step by going to your Start menu and using the search function to find OneDrive. Once you see it pop up in the results, click to open it. This ensures that OneDrive is active and ready to sync any files that might have been missed so far. If after all these steps you're still facing issues, you might consider rebooting OneDrive completely as a final measure. To do this, repeat the previous steps. Quitting and then starting again could nudge the application to sync more effectively by reestablishing clear connectivity and refreshing its processes from the ground up. With these steps, OneDrive should resume syncing your files efficiently. Regular checks and occasional resets like these can serve as excellent maintenance practices, helping you prevent sync issues in the future. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your OneDrive is back in tip-top shape. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.